Hey guys, welcome back. In this video series, I will show you how to create advanced keylogger using Python. So, in this video, I will discuss about file reading and writing system in Python. So, let's go ahead. First of all, we are gonna create a function which is open. And I'm gonna pass argument which is log.txt. This open took at least two parameters. I'm gonna write here log.txt, and next one is w. Okay, let's discuss about w, and this is also a writing mode. I will use in this series three modes, which is the first one is w is writing mode. Second one R is reading mode, and third one is A is appending mode, which is append mode. Okay, let's go ahead. To do this, I'm gonna write a variable which is file. I'm gonna put this function in a variable. Okay, now I'm gonna write file dot write. I will put here something. Hey, this is crazy. This is crazy. Then next line I'm gonna write f dot close. F dot close, file dot close. I'm gonna close this function because if it creates any kind of error, then this will handle this error. So let's run the code. After running this code, it creates log.txt file for me. Let's go into this log file. Wow, it writes for me, hello, this is crazy. Okay, so this is writing mode, and if I want to read this line within this code, so I have to write here it would be reading mode, and then I will have to remove this, and I have to write here read. So if I run, let's see what happens. I have to put it into a variable which is file data, and now I have to print this file data. Print file data. So let's have a look what happened. Yes, hey, this is crazy. This line actually reading log.txt file. Let's go again to log.txt file, and this is the file. This is the line that this is the line that printed this code in here. So this is a simple code of reading and writing something in a file. So in the next video I'll discuss about with keyword, and surely this would be an advanced keylogger for you. And stay tuned. Thank you very much.